Good morning. I was going to do this really cool video for the start of the 2016-2017 school year. I was going to do a little carpool karaoke. We may have had a dance to some Justin Timberlake, but yeah, we don't have time for that right now. So I need to get you some updates, some tips and tricks. The first one for 2016-2017. And the first one is Google Drive. Many of you may have gotten that really annoying little pop-up that says your Google Drive is not syncing, so what do you do to fix it? Here is what you do to fix it. I'm going to open up Safari or Chrome, the browser of your choice, does not matter. And I am going to actually go up here and I'm going to Google Drive. And I'm going to click that first link that pops up. And then I'm going to scroll to the bottom of this page and I'm going to click on Get Drive on all your devices. I know you've already done this, but this is updating the application. So now you're going to click on Download for Mac. If you were on a PC, it would say Download for PC. I'm going to click that link. I'm going to agree to the conditions. And then it's going to start downloading. While it's downloading, what you need to do is go up to the top where it says, it has a little Google Drive icon on your menu bar. You need to click that. Then you need to click your three little dots and quit Google Drive. Because in order to update it, you have to quit it. This will not sync or not lose your files for you. I promise you're not going to lose anything during this process. I've done it on my computer. This is now my third time to update this because I keep messing up on my videos. So this is my third time to do it and I have not lost my files. So I promise you aren't going to lose anything by doing this. All right, our application has almost downloaded. I'm going to pretend I'm one of those cooking shows where they put something in the oven and then magically one comes out of the oven ready 20 seconds later. So here's the Google Drive I've already downloaded. You're going to open that downloaded file. I'm then going to drag my Google Drive icon over to my applications folder. And it's going to pop up with this little thing that says, do you want to keep both, stop, or replace? This is where some people kind of freak out. You're going to replace it. It's not going to delete your files. That's fine. While this is working, I do want to tell you for the teachers that have students with one-to-one laptops, this does not work for students at the current time. We're working on getting this updated in self-service, but we keep running into trouble with that. So just to be aware, this only works on teacher computers right now. All right, so once that's done, I'm going to go to my applications folder. And I'm going to click on applications. And then I'm going to find Google Drive. They're in alphabetical order. So I'm going to open up Google Drive. And in just a second here, up on my menu bar, I'm going to see, oh, excuse me, I have to click open first. Then we're going to see our Google Drive icon appear in our menu bar. And if you click on it, well, this is me. There we go. It signed me in automatically because it already knew it was connected. You see I have 212 gigabytes used. That means my stuff is still in there. And it's going to sync anything that it didn't sync before I updated. So if you want to double check your stuff is still there, because you're a little freaked out, you can always go to drive.google.com and you will see all your stuff. You can see I have lots and lots of folders, but all my stuff is there. I didn't lose anything, so there's no panicking. Okay, the next topic I want to talk to you about is work orders. So we need you to actually submit a work order for any issues that you're having. We get phone calls here, we get lots of emails that go to individuals. I've said this several times before, an email is a one-way communication between one individual. Work order communication is between an entire department. So please, 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 unless you can't get to the internet, submit a work order for whatever issues you're having. If you were having an issue with Google Drive updating, submit a work order. We'll be happy to help you. If you're having issues with Canvas, submit a work order. Anything that you need, we are looking at them in the office as well. So if there's something that we can fix from the office, we're going to fix it from the office. I will say that Ginger, myself, we're all on the same page now. that we're going to check work orders first, because it's not fair to those that follow the rules and submit work orders first for us to work through our emails and then go to work orders. So we're going to work through work orders first. Once we get everything that we can get done from the office solved in the work orders, we'll then go to our emails. So the quickest way is going to be to submit a work order. Also, you need to understand that we use work orders as kind of a data system for us. So we'll make comments in the work orders of how we fixed an issue. So if the same issue arises 2 months down the road and we can't remember what we did to fix it, we can refer back to that work order, and it saves us time and it saves time for you on getting your problem solved. Next topic, this is the last one. I know it needed to be brief today because, well, you're a little bit busy at schools right now. The last thing is, if you have new students that come in and they don't have a username or password, you need to make sure you give it 24 hours from the time the student is enrolled into PowerSchool for it to sync up with all of our systems. So give it 24 hours. At the end of 24 hours, if you still don't see a username or password for that student, then you're going to submit a work order on that and we'll get it fixed. Thank you for all you do for our students every day. Bear with us. I think we're trying to fix things as quickly as we can, as possible. But don't worry, Labor Day is near. Order system, you'll click on the Apps button in the top right corner. Then you will click on More, and you will see Samanage IT Service Desk. You have to be in your email in order to get to this link. If you go to google.com and click on your Apps button, you will not see this link. So first sign into your email. Once you click on the link, you may get a pop-up window that says to continue. Just click continue. And then you'll be taken to the landing page of our new work order system. One feature that we have with this new system is the ability to access some tutorials that can help you with your problem. So where it says briefly describe your question, the best thing to do is simply type in the name of what you're having a problem with. So let's say you're having a printer problem. Type in printer and then hit search. Notice I have three things listed here. I have a solution and then I have 2 incidents. Incidents are prior work orders that you have submitted containing the word printer. Solutions are where you can go to get help. So I'm going to click on Install Printer using hostname. I'm taken to this page where I see an attachment on how to install a network printer. So if I click that, I'm taken to this page that has directions on what to do first, then what to do if you're on a Dell computer, and what to do if you're on a Mac computer. I'm going to close out of this tab and it takes me back into the work order system. If the directions didn't work for you, you can then submit a work order. To do that, you'll click at the top of the screen, you'll click New Work Order. Here you will enter in a title, Connect My Printer. And then in the description, that's where you need to be as specific as possible so that we have all the information we need to help you. So I recently received a new printer, HP LaserJet 4200. You can find the name of the printer usually on the printer box or on the printer itself. And I need to connect it to this computer. Then you'll select the category of the work order. You will always select technology work order. Only authorized people are allowed to submit maintenance requests, and only our student technicians will submit student work orders. So you will select technology, your subcategory. If you don't see it listed, which printer is not listed, you will choose general. Then you will put in your first name, last name, room number, Then you have IP address. To find your IP address, I'm going to hit a new tab using the plus sign and go to help.rcsd.ms. You will see your IP address listed in the middle of the screen. I'm going to highlight it and then right-click and copy. Then I'll close out of this tab. That'll take me back to my work order. And then here, I'm going to Command V to paste. That's V as in Victor. So on a Mac, it's Command V. On a PC, it is Control V. So then you'll choose either Mac or Windows. I'm going to choose Mac. You have an option to attach a file. So if you know how to do a screenshot, you can do a screenshot on your computer and show us exactly what's happening on your computer that you need help with. Then over on the right-hand side, you will have technology work order again. Only authorized people can submit maintenance work orders. And then for site, you'll select your school. Then you will click Create New Work Order. So this created a work order. You can see I have 3 work orders here submitted. So when you go to your landing page, you see how many work orders you have submitted. If something else happens and you need to let us know about that and it's related to that work order, you can click on it. You can scroll down and you can add a comment. You might say, I received another printer to connect to this same computer. And then that comment shows as part of the work order. As always, if you need help with work orders or accessing the system, you can call the technology department. Please be aware that if you call the help desk toward the end of July and all through August, Ginger McKenzie, who is at our help desk, is extremely busy and is usually on the phone all day. If you cannot reach her by phone, please do not leave a voicemail. She's on the phone all day, so she's unable to get to her voicemails. Please submit a work order. We have everybody in our department working on work orders, especially at the first part of the school year. So we're here to help you, and we will get to you as quickly as we can.